Welcome to the NeoAI account overview. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about how to navigate your account and maximize the benefits of your AI-powered assistant. The first thing we're going to start with is your dashboard. The ROI dashboard is where you can track all of the data and analytics that Neo has gathered. You can see things such as how many people use Neo, how long they spent using it, how many total questions are answered, popular menu items and categories, and the trend analysis, where we give you suggestions on how to optimize and improve your offerings based on the questions that your customers are asking. Now, the AI Conversations tab is where you can see all of the questions that your customers are asking. If you want to see the full thread of the conversation they had, just click on it and there you are. Now let's check out how to create and edit your menus by going to the List tab under Inventory. The List tab is where you can see a holistic view of your menus by clicking on Edit. The list description under Details is where you can input general information about your business to educate Neo. You can put things like your address, allergy lists, links that you want Neo to provide. Essentially any information that isn't item specific should go here. Next, we have the Menu Content tab. This is where you select your categories and items that you want in your menu. After that, we have the AI Chatbot tab, where you can customize your AI. If you have the staff training module, you can turn it on here. Below that, you have Neo's primary and secondary characteristics. And then below that is where you can edit Neo's first message and common questions, which is what your customers see when they scan the QR code. Now, the final category in the List tab is color customization. This is where you are able to edit the colors of what your Neo chatbot and digital menu look like. Because after all, Neo is going to be working for you. Now we're going to check out how to create and edit your menu items. Now you can either manually input the items and their characteristics, or you can import your menu using AI and it will input that information for you. Now the description section includes the AI context. This is where you input all item-specific information that you want the AI to know. These are things about that item that you want the AI to tell people. For example, this is gluten-free, spicy, or if there's another item that should always be paired with this one. This is the section to write it. Now the final two categories in the Items tab is Media, where you upload your item pictures, and the Assign section. This is where you assign different tags to it, assign it a category, modifiers, and which list it's in. Next, we have the Category section where you can assign your items to and write a description which will show up in the digital menu. Now the Modifiers section is where you can create all of the add-ons and extra options for each of your items. Now you're probably wondering, Cheyenne, this is great and all, but how can I actually see Neo in action? Well, all you gotta do is go to the My QR Codes tab. When you click on Create New QR Code, this is where you can decide where you want your QR code or link to be. Whether you want it as a link on your website, on your social media, or as a QR code on table tents, posters, stickers, you name it, this is where you do it. Important note, the passcode section is strictly for the staff training module so as not to give access to regular customers. Meaning, if you have the staff training version of Neo, when you open up the platform, you have to put in the passcode to protect the confidential information from your staff training. Finally, select the type of QR code, the list which you want your QR code to represent, and then the template. Then you click on Generate, and then you can copy the link and open it up in a new tab so you can see all of the amazing changes that you just made to your platform.